Looks so pretty. Oh god, come on. What? Oh. Hi, welcome to this channel. My name is Palm and I do lots of DIYs and random videos. Today we want to upcycle this. This is a size 16 pair of pants that I got a while ago. I got them for 50 shillings. So I don't know what I want to make exactly, but this is how it looks. This is the fabric. It is just stripped white and gray. Yeah. So let's see what we can make with this. Okay, we're just gonna go with the flow, by the way. Yeah. Okay. So I have decided I'm gonna make a dress. Like it's gonna start from here, like just above the bust, and it will have like straps going back like that. So it's gonna start from here, and then it's just going to be like a bodycon-ish dress. So I have taken my bust measurement. Why? My bust measurement is 36, my waist is 27.5, and my hips must be 40. So this is what I'm gonna work with. So the distance from where I want my dress to start is gonna be here. From where I want my dress to start to my waist is going to be like 11.5 to 12 inches, and then from my waist to my hips is supposed to be like 9 inches. So once you know where the curves are gonna be, we are good to go. So let's start. So I want to keep these seams, so I'm gonna cut open from this other side. Yeah, okay. So we are gonna put them right sides facing each other. So I'm gonna do this. Okay. And then we are gonna fold again. Okay. Now you remember the measurements we were taking. So that is gonna be our top, because of course the boobies are way narrower than the hips. So from the top, now since the top is already hemmed, because those were the bottom of the pants, so we are gonna see my bust was 36. So divide by 4, because this is folded like into 4, like 4 pieces. So my bust divide by 4 is 9, and then I will add maybe half an inch for sewing allowance. So I'm gonna make sure it is actually less. I don't know how we are gonna work around that, but we shall see. Okay, so there's this, So from the where the dress was starting to my waist was like, let's say 11.5. Okay, and my waist is 27.5, so let's just say 28. Divide by 2, divide by 4 is 7, so we're gonna have like 7. I'm just putting a little bit of allowance, and then from my waist to my hips is 9 inches, so at the 9-inch mark, I'm gonna mark my hips was 40, divided by 2 is 10. So that I don't mind, we can still have like that much space. So yeah, so what is remaining now, I just want to make sure this is leveled, the bottom of the dress is leveled. Then now I will mark, I don't know how much I want space, like how much space I want for my hips. So let me just go for 10, and then you see like 10, 40 divided by 4 is 10, plus 1 more inch. So we have that. So we can work with that. So that is the shape my dress is going to take. Now we cut. Just sew this part down and this part down, and then I come back so that we see any adjustments that we need to make. So I'm actually surprised it fits. No. Yeah, but I'll have to take in a little bit of this part, you know, yeah, so that it can be a little bit snatched, because apparently it just slips on very nicely. So this is how it's looking. I really like it. So now what I am going to do, I'm just going to, let me just do it now, inside out. As you can see, it is very easy to put on and put on and take off. I don't know, like it's easy for me to wear. Yeah, so it's supposed to be like this. So now I want to mark the parts where I want reduced to, like reduce. So I feel like the hips are fine, so it's just up here. So now I'm going to take it off and just sew this part so that I don't have this excess. Okay, so now this makes a little bit more sense. I'm gonna take cut strips of fabric to just put like here. So I'm gonna determine how long I'm gonna need. Why do I feel like my camera is crooked? Okay, so I'm gonna determine how much I need, like how long the straps should be. So I'll do like 14. So I have these 2 strips of fabric for my straps, and what I'm just going to do is I will fold like this. And I've just realized that this fabric is, I don't know, it's kind of a little stretchy, I'm not sure, so that's why it fit me nicely. But what I'm going to do is I'll fold like this, and then this other side like this, you get the point, and then I sew it like that. Did you see that? I'll repeat one last time. So fold it a bit on this end, and then a little bit on this other side, and then you have something like this. Then just sew on top like that, so that you have a really cute strap. So the dress is done. It's just hemming the bottom. I have also just finished doing the straps. As you can see, they are looking pretty good. So what I'll just do is attach them to the dress. So here, the inside like that, secure with a pin. And also the back here. So that we have something like that. So we sew the back, the front, the back, the front, and then I'll just hem the bottom. Then we'll be done. Then I model it for you guys. Excited. Oh. So I'm done. I've hemmed the bottom of the dress. I have fixed the straps. Now it's time to model it. I'm so excited. I think this will be a favorite. So let's see how it goes. Okay, here we go. Wow. Oh wow. Come on. What? Looks so pretty. Oh god. Come on. What? Oh. So pretty, right? Oh. This is so cute. I can't get over this. This is so cute. What? Oh no. Wow. Wow. Oh wow. Okay. Okay. Wow. Amazing. Wow. Amazing. Yeah. I don't know. This fabric is it's linen, but I feel like it is a bit stretchy because I don't know, but I don't care about that. All I care about is the dress turned out fine and better than I expected. Wow. Okay, I think for today I have reached the self-actualization. I feel like I've really done something. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until the next video, bye guys. Bye. Bye.